Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A23, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. Now for this you will need a cable that is plugged into your computer. It's connected. And then we're gonna just simply turn off our device. So let's hold power key, select power off. Once the Samsung logo disappears, hold power key and volume up at the same time. When you see the Samsung Galaxy, you can let go of the power key, and this will take us to recovery mode. You can now unplug the device, and using volume keys you want to select wipe cache partition and then confirm it with power key. Select yes. Cache wipe complete. Reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once more, and this will now take us back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.